Haven't we all known someone who has suffered with cancer? Maybe a family member, a close friend, even yourself, like me. The unpleasant conversations, the multiple treatments, and the pain that keeps coming. And then there's the unknown. In so many cases, there are no answers that seem to matter or are understood. Then the oncologist says, "I'm sorry, but there's nothing more we can do for you. We've run out of options. You should get your affairs in order." Then what? You start reading again everything you can get your hands on, looking again at every clinical trial out there, regardless of success or lack thereof. And what do all those big words mean? Where do you turn for help now?
As a caregiver for my loved one who passed of cancer, the helpless feeling you have in trying to make them better and comfortable, yet seeking out to find answers on what to do next, it's exhausting and it's overwhelming. The juggling schedules of taking him to doctor visits, radiation, and chemo, they encompassed our everyday life. And watching cancer overtake your loved one, you become desperate to find answers and options on what to do next and make their pain go away. You stay up long nights on the computer, you contact back the doctors for more answers, and you research. You seek to find that possible next option in making them well. You have no control, and answers are hard to find. And the daily questions you're left with, did we try everything we could? Many of the options, they're hard to get, and they're quite costly. The struggle of choosing to continue treatment or lose your home, it's real. Hundreds of thousands of dollars were spent out of pocket over 2 years to treat this horrific disease, with the ongoing thought of not sure how in the end all of this is going to be afforded. I would do anything as a caregiver to keep my loved one alive and give them the best chance of survival to beat cancer.
Imagine a cancer medication that would allow you to maintain a normal life while effectively treating your disease. A treatment that squashes the nasty side effects experienced with most cancer chemotherapies. Imagine that. The hair loss, the nausea, the nerve sensitivity, fatigue, all of the classic side effects of chemotherapy. The avoidance of side effects is the goal that our team of scientists set out to achieve. We built our entire approach on taking highly efficacious, common cancer drugs and creating a very precise mechanism for transporting the drug to the enemy, the cancer cell. Our drug of choice is Taxol, a well-established, highly effective cancer drug. We built around that drug a Trojan horse structure that precisely impacts cancer cells while ignoring healthy human cells within the body. This structure mimics and masquerades in the bloodstream as if it were a harmless cholesterol-containing LDL particle ready for consumption by cancer cells to fuel growth. Cancer cells gobble up these particles thinking they are ingesting food to grow on, only to find out, too late, that something is hidden within these particles that is toxic to their growth cycle. Just like the concealed Greek warriors in their hollow wooden statue of a horse descending upon the city of Troy, our LDL particles enter the cancerous cells and unload the Taxol to overwhelm and inhibit the growth of the tumor. We have designed and prepared our product. We have tested this concept and shown it to behave as desired. We have invested our intellectual energy and our monetary resources to pursue its development and now need your help to continue to bring this product to market. We are confident in our pursuit of this concept and spent over $5 million to get the program to its current state. We need funding to complete regulatory paperwork and a few additional studies before we present to the FDA. We truly appreciate any contribution toward this precision oncology program. Imagine if each individual in the U.S. just donated a single dollar, we could fund this program and make it much more affordable and not financially toxic for treatable cancer patients. Thank you.